Reduce volume TV and reduce it. There's a problem. Yes. Moving online, listen. Group alleges Oriyomi Hamzat escaping to Paris to evade arrest over EFCC 998 million naira. Yeah. A socio-economic group in Oyo State, grassroots for Itesiwaju Ipinle Oyo, has alleged that an Ibadan-based controversial radio presenter, Oriyomi Hamzat, has escaped to France to evade arrest by Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) over his involvement in the 998 million naira.
Alright, my people, welcome guys to DIGINAIJA. As you all know, as the news they boil, as they hot, now they bring on her, as they go. Guys, don't forget, if you not subscribe, click on that bell so that you can get more notification when we upload new videos. As they hot, what I go. So alright, this one about Oriyomi Hamzat. Oriyomi Hamzat, when I first saw it, in fact, if you watch the video, left to me, when I watched the video, I was like, why is EFCC looking for Oriyomi as he truly won 998 million naira? It was during the video when I heard it, I had to listen to it, and I noticed that no, it is for Larry Teslim, one of the APC candidates running Oyo State governorship election. It was one that actually brought out that did this whole thing. It was the roots behind it. And my own is, how did Oriyomi Hamzat get to know that it is Teslim for Larry that did it? My guys, we need to watch it together. Don't forget to like, share, and
Reduce volume TV and reduce it. There's a problem. Yes. Moving online, listen. Group alleges Oriyomi Hamzat escaping to Paris to evade arrest over EFCC 998 million naira. Yeah. A socio-economic group in Oyo State, grassroots for Itesiwaju Ipinle Oyo, has alleged that an Ibadan-based controversial radio presenter, Oriyomi Hamzat, has escaped to France to evade arrest by Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) over his involvement in the 998 million naira exercise book scam awarded to him by the Oyo State government. It's a long story. In fact, and then we get a drink. And then get a drink. Let me get you a drink. You can have this. You can have this. So now,
you know what? Check you one. What the pay? What do you mean say back? Hello, offer me the better sleep. Group alleged Oriyomi Hamzat of escaping to Paris to evade EFCC arrest over 998 998 okude koko am bi no we pon now kukushi sekadugbe ìròyìn tó gbé independent ní independent ìwé ìròyìn independent ní gbòmìnira tẹ́fì ṣẹ̀wù ní tí yóò ta. I thought we have settled this. Where is EFCC? I personally call for EFCC to investigate this matter. Why are you stressing yourself? Èmi ò rí lẹ́tà o. Èmi ò rí nǹkan kan o. EFCC sì sóhun àlùbí tí orí ló ń ta yín. Oriyomi wọ́n rí ẹ lókèrè wọ́n sórí ìdègbé léèpé àbórí ń ta yín. Orí ń ta yín. Tí ẹ̀ farabalẹ̀. Àbórí ń ta yín. Tí ẹ̀ farabalẹ̀. Yeah, I know. Wọ́n ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Èmi náà mo mọ̀ pé in tí mo jù ta ní àná ó ti sọ yín di ẹni tó gbégi ní bùnbùn pé ẹ lè fara rí lọ. Mo ti sọ yín dẹni tó fàpò tí orí tí ò ní gbádùn oorun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ti sọ yín di oníwàhálà ìlà ìlò kò bá olé bá káleke fùrọ̀ dán wọ́n fojú ní ilé àtàlátà bàbá ara arúgbá. Ṣé Mákindé ó ṣe sáà kejì àdàbí tára ló ọba gbádùn ìlúkù tó bá ṣe pé the appreciative percentage of the masses in Oyo State I enjoy Ṣèyí Mákindé 1 million of your lemon 10 billion of your propaganda 100 billion trillion of your lies can never work. I am telling you. EFCC. Wọ́n pè mí o. Wọ́n wé mi o. Conference lè ní wá bá o. Àwọn èèyàn mi tó sì ti retí mi ti pẹ́. Wọ́n sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní celebrate mi. Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ẹ̀gbọ́n tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé ó mà ṣe o sítorí Tinubu tó wọlé àtẹ̀sílẹ̀ náà wá lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tí ò ṣe campaign ẹ̀ tí ò ṣe campaign tó mọ̀ pé òun lè wọlé àwọn akíwẹ́ pé gúùpù yẹn náà wọ́n pe nìkan ẹ bá ń ṣe kíní ìkólòkè. Socio-economic group in Oyo State for ìtẹ̀síwájú ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ìlọsẹ́yìn ni wọ́n independent ṣe ẹ̀sà certificate wọn wò kọ́mọ̀dé pé ilẹ̀-ìdáná tó yẹ kí wọ́n dá because you need to check with their certificate. Are they duly registered under CAC before they can issue a publication on a person like Oriyomi Hamzat? Ìgbà yín wọ́n wàhálà independent ayé yín ọ̀tá ẹ rò pé torí pé mi ò kí ń legal suit mi ò kí ń fẹ́ sú èèyàn tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ títí ni. This one I will stand on your neck. They will provide the invitation letter from EFCC. They will tell me where EFCC has ever invited me before I engaged on my travel. I am doing program on a daily basis. Even some people believe I was around, but I'm not. I'm in Spain. I left France to Spain. From Spain, I am going to Barcelona. From Barcelona, I am going to Germany. From Germany, I am going to Italy. From Italy, I am going to Netherlands. From Netherlands, I am going to Switzerland. And I will go back to France to take my flight back to Nigeria, coming to celebrate the victory of His Excellency, Engineer Abiodun Oluseyi Makinde. Oyo State, this is what I got this morning.
Any birthday.
Ìtẹ́bí sọjọ́ òbí fún mi ní o. Àwọn ilé bobo Teslim Fọlárìn. Àwọn ilé bobo tí bó máa gbó àwọn olóṣèlú wèrè tí wọ́n ní nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe fún ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Àwọn apààyàn ardent criminals. Àwọn criminal tí wọ́n ń wá bí wọ́n ṣe waste Oriyomi tí wọ́n ò rí waste tán wá ń bínú kó ti wà ń bí àwọn ò rí nǹkan fi ṣe. tí n bá wá gan kí lẹ fi mí ṣe gan kí lẹ fi mí ṣe mo jẹ́ bí eléwé ọmọ ni mi ò fi ṣe eléwé ọmọ náà mi ò bá yín ṣe union mi ò bá yín ṣòṣèlú but I go with the masses stop telling me I go with the masses. People said they still want Seyi Makinde. They said he's doing well, so kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? I have a voice, and it has to be used positively. Mo sì wà pẹ̀lú aráàlú láwọn fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Kí ni problem tèmi? Màá lọ síbi tí aráàlú bá lọ ni. And I keep saying, mo ti sọ before now, pé tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ pé ṣe yìí ò ṣe dáadáa, ẹ sọ fún mi. Tó bá ṣe dáadáa, ẹ sọ fún mi. Tẹ́ ẹ bá tún fẹ́, ẹ sọ fún mi. Tẹ́ ẹ bá tún fẹ́, ẹ sọ fún mi. I felt their pulse. I did my investigation. My statistics proves to me that Seyi Makinde still remain the choice of the masses. So you want me to come up because of you and tell the masses to go against their wishes? You want me to tell the masses what? Kí ló máa ń ṣe yín náà? Kí ni problem yín? Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán fìbò lé ẹni tó fún àwọn ọmọ wọn ní free education lọ. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán neglect ẹni tó gba LATEC padà fún ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán neglect ẹni tó fáwọn ọmọ ní exercise book àti notebook àti textbook. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán fìbò lé ẹni tó ń sanwó oṣù òṣìṣẹ́ déédéé lọ. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán fìbò lé ẹni tó ń tọ́jú àwọn pensioner lọ. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán fìbò lé ẹni tó ń tọ́jú àwọn teacher lọ. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn kán fìbò lé ẹni tó jẹ́ wípé promotion tó ti wà earned for long ó wù jáde. Ẹ fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn ẹni tó ti ná billions of naira lórí àwọn pensioner kan lé wọn lọ àbí? Níjọ́ tí mo ti dé ayé ìmọ̀ pé èèyàn máa dùn pensioner ló láyé. Pé ìmọ̀ rí pensioner àga wheelchair ló ti máa ń tì wọ́n káàkiri. Ìgbà ìjọba Seyi Makinde ni wọ́n bójú pensioner lè fresh and pensioner lè look nice. Ìjọba Seyi Makinde ló jẹ́ wọn. Sẹ́fẹ́ kí n sọ fún wọn pé kí àwọn pensioner tún máa jìyà padà ni. Mo rí bọ́n ṣe máa ń transfer wàhálà àwọn pensioner nígbà tí bàbá wa Lamade Sínà débẹ̀ wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn ṣe gbà. Àwọn gbìyànjú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò yanjú pensioner sunkún náà níta fi lọ. Bàbá wa Ládọjà débẹ̀ bàbá Ládọjà tọwọ́ bọ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ yanjú ẹ̀. Àwọn ẹni bí olóṣèlú ọ̀jẹ̀ kí bàbá Ládọjà parí iṣẹ́ wọ́n lé wọn lọ lọ́nà tí ò tọ́. Bàbá wa Kádà débẹ̀ wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn ṣe gbà wọn ò rí yanjú náà fi lọ. Bàbá wa Jímọ̀bí débẹ̀ wọn ò rí yanjú náà fi lọ. Gbogbo language tó jáde gbà náà gbogbo wa ń bọ̀ náà pípa àwọn kan òkú ni wọ́n. Yes. Seyi Makinde débẹ̀ pensioner now they never had it so good. So what do you want me to do? What do you expect from me? Oyo State pensioner happens to be the first pensioner throughout Africa that has radio station. Talking about Baba the money, and they are doing well. Ṣé bọ́dọ̀ àwọn pensioner okun tó gbé mi lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n tó gbé mi lọ EFCC ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn pensioner okun tó gbé mi lọ sí èmi ọ̀lọ́ EFCC àwọn olórí ibú tẹ́ gbé kiri jáde wọn lọ EFCC ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn pensioner ṣé okun tó gbé mi lọ sí DSS ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn teacher ṣé okun tó gbé mi lọ DSS. And these people said they are enjoying this man. What are we agitating for? Say we were agitating for good governance. Afẹ́ ìjọba rere. And we got it by God's grace. So what else do you want? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? Ọjọ́ tí mo gbé test ní mo wá sí orí ètò kan tí test ní mo ṣe tàbí mo mọ kọ́ọ̀bù tí mo gbà lọ́wọ́ aráàlú pé aláàjì kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ tí pọ́kùnrin jù ẹ mọ̀ súnmọ́kùnrin jù ṣé kèsì pé fẹ́ padà lẹ́yìn Ṣèyí ẹ dákun ẹ mọ́ padà lẹ́yìn Ṣèyí o Ṣèyí la fẹ́ o táràlú ń pè mí tó ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. What are you doing? What are you telling me? Oriyomi Hamzat lórúkọ mi fún tẹ́ ṣe láàrin èmi àti àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni.
Thank you guys for watching that short clip from DIGINAIJA. Don't forget, if you never subscribe, subscribe, follow, get to the like buttons. And if you love what you are seeing, always share it. Now, if you also need us to hear your opinion, share it on the comment section below so that we can also get along. You understand? Thank you once again, guys, for watching that video with us. And we'll leave. I beg your pardon. I wish to see you on our next one. My question for you, it is, how did Oriyomi Hamzat get to know the roots behind that blackmail? Pressure tiwa. How did he get to know? That's my question to you. Let's hear your opinion in the comment section. See you guys on our next one. Bye.